The Signature Real Estate Companies is one of the largest independent brokerages in the country. Why have we remained independent all these years? We all know that real estate is a hyper-local business. I don't want our agents and our company being directed and steered from corporate offices in other parts of the country where the industry may be different. We are headquartered in South Florida. We have offices all across the state of Florida and Washington and Idaho. By being independent, we are very nimble, we are hyper-effective, and we are quick to pivot as we see things coming in the industry. While most real estate brokers are reactive, waiting for balls to be thrown at their face, trying to catch what's coming, we are proactive. We try to see what's around the corner because the unknown could be a very scary place. By having foresight, wisdom, and drive, we can move the company forward. We can help you as an agent move your career forward. As an independent brokerage, we don't take direction from anyone other than our own management team. And we're great listeners. We love constructive feedback, ideas, and suggestions from our agents. Quite frankly, some of the best initiatives we've ever put forward at Signature have come from the bottom up, right from our agent team up through senior management. I have an open door policy 24 hours a day. My cell phone, my email, my Zoom calendar, my in-person calendar are always available because by being an agent-centric brokerage, by being independent, I have to be in touch with my customers, which are my real estate agents. Feel free to call me, reach out to me, ask for some of my time, and I'll be happy to share it with you.